Hey everybody, Gary Fong here, and I'm going to do a video to show you how to do a really amazing song called Smoke Dreams by Jill Sobule. Now, back in 1990, Jill Sobule played a small, intimate concert in my Los Angeles home. It was an amazing night. There was a haze in the air and a room full of friends and music that didn't just fill the space, it stayed with us. And you'll hear me playing bass on this song, but what makes this song even more special is how it was captured. I recorded it direct to digital, straight from the board into a Sony MiniDisc, which had just hit the market. So this is like 1990. And at the time, it was the first consumer digital recorder available anywhere. So what you're about to hear isn't just a room mic or a bootleg. It is a clear, stereo, intimate, full-time document of a moment that can never be recreated. And now hearing it again, knowing that Jill tragically passed away in a house fire this past May, this song, Smoke Dreams, feels almost hauntingly prophetic. The words are, billowing around me, smoke dreams, billowing around me, taking me to places I've never been. It's really a little bit tough to hear, but it's a beautiful song, and I want to show all of you guitarists out here how to play it. Now, the lyrics, the atmosphere, it all seems to echo in the present today, like voice carried on smoke itself. So I'm going to play the song, and let's all play along. And guitarists, see if you can pick out the chords.
Tell me another lie. Just lay here by my side. My eyes are closed, my heart is open, swirling in a dance, like a dervish in a trance. The coals are hot beneath my feet, but I don't care, just let me have my smoke dreams, billowing around me, taking me to places I've never been. Smoke dreams smoldering inside me. Are you a real thing?
Okay, so I want to talk about the chord brilliance here because this is like when you analyze it, it is really such an amazingly delicate, haunting chord structure. I mean, obviously the words are, but I want to talk about the music because everyone was like, wow, she is an incredible guitarist. Jane Wiedlin said, you know, she knows a million chords, and she kind of did. She played very, very unconventionally, and it was all talent. Because I remember one time I was asking her how to play this amazing song that she wrote, and it was called The Girl in the Affair. And the intro was kind of like this really cool intro. And I said, could you show it to me? And she said, sure. And then she just like did this kind of claw hand. And I said, what chord is that? And she said, oh, that's a B something. So I don't think she really knew exactly by formula what was going on. I knew she took guitar lessons in Colorado, but this is really quite something to see someone just basically come up with these brilliant chord progressions, and I'm going to show them to you. Because I looked all over for the chords online, and they're not there. Jill's voicings are not at all textbook. They're just basically emotional and intentional. Now she uses suspended chords that never really fully resolve. She has altered dominants that build tension without release, and a chromatic voice leading that lends each note to fall slowly into the next note. Just listen how this intro goes. It's like a A7. It starts with an A7, but you take the B string and bring it up to a D. It's called an A7 suspended 4. And then you drop to A7, and then you flat the B string down to C, which makes it then an A7 flat 9. So here's basically how the intro goes. It starts suspended, then it briefly resolves, right? So it resolves, then it dives down into something darker. It's like it inhales, then it exhales, and it drifts, exactly like the lyrics here, swirling in a dance, like a dervish in a trance. Just when you think it might resolve, she then pivots to a G major. So it's G minor, G major to E minor, and that's a 4 to a 2, a move that feels like spiritual and almost modal. And then as the chorus lands, she goes, then E minor, which is predictable here, then a full major, so that's the only major there. It's not, the whole thing is kind of minor, which she herself would call sad chords, but then there's that beautiful A in the middle. So then it falls back. So now in the bridge, now this is really hard to do, at least if you don't know how to do it. It's what's it called here? It's a C sharp 7 flat 9, and then it goes down to C7 sharp 9. So okay, so we'll do like a C7 would be here, right? And for all I know, Jill would use bar chords for practically everything. But what's really trippy is this one is a C here on the A string, and then it starts on C sharp, so it goes, and the G is open, so you have to leave everything completely open and just only play its PIMA pattern, the affected notes that are held down. So it's things get warm, start to sizzle, then it's so trippy. And I'm playing bass on this recording with my Hofner bass, and I'm just doing C sharp, C sharp. Then so this little pattern goes up and down, then it resolves to a B minor. Okay, so so a dominant chord drops a half step, then resolves into a minor. That's not really conventional theory. That's emotional storytelling. It's like smoke catches fire, then collapses into ashes. So that's pretty frickin' cool. Sorry. But what a luscious dream we're dreaming, smoke dreams. So we'll start from the beginning. Intro, beautiful. Pass me the pipe, tell me another lie. Just lay here by my side. My eyes are closed, my heart is open, swirling in a dance like a dervish in a trance. The coals are hot beneath my feet, but I don't care, just let me have my smoke dreams billowing around me, taking me to places I've never been. It's kind of gorgeous. I want to do it one more time so you can hear it. Let's give it a go. Now on harmony is Susie Davis, and she does such an amazing job. It's not like a conventional counterpoint harmony, it's literally an alternate melody. I'll try not to interrupt it, but it's hard not to sing along.
Pass me the pipe, tell me another lie. Just lay here by my side. My eyes are closed, my heart is open, swirling in a dance like a dervish in a trance. The coals are hot beneath my feet, but I don't care, just let me have my smoke dreams billowing around me, taking me to places I've never been. Smoke dreams smoldering inside me. Are you a real thing or just a smoke?
quite incredible. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, look forward to them in the comments. Thank you.